Hi everyone! Welcome back! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change the language on Snapchat. It's a super easy process, and within minutes, you can switch the app to your preferred language. Let's dive in. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once it's open, tap on your profile picture or Bitmoji in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings. This is where you can adjust all your app preferences. Now, scroll down through the list of options until you see Language. Once you find it, tap on it to open the language settings. You'll see a list of languages appear. Simply scroll through and choose your preferred language from the list. After selecting, Snapchat will automatically apply the new language settings. And that's it. Snapchat is now in the language you selected, and you can enjoy using it in a way that feels most comfortable for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.